Experience Northern BC Adventures, one-of-a-kind tours of remote historic sites, remarkable wildlife, and stunning natural scenery. Northern BC Adventures is a series of experiences that showcase unique, niche-based Northern BC locations that focus on culture, history, and scenery of this area. A lot of our tours focus on history. You're never going to experience the past, but I think our tours are sometimes the closest thing you're ever going to get to taking you back in time. We have so many amazing things in our backyard here in Northern BC, and that's a great reason to come out and get on one of our trips. Join Northern BC Adventures' next expedition, led by expert guides with exclusive access to remote locations. Tours have small group sizes and include all transportation, food, and accommodations. To learn more or register, call UNBC Continuing Studies or click unbc.ca/NBCAdventures.